Hey friends, if you wish to fix FAT file system, fastfat.sys blue screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update the drivers. And how would you do that? So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab and click on advanced options in the right pane. Select option updates and install the updates from here. Next solution is to simply remove external drives. Why? Because a lot of external drives try to push in their own drivers into their system, and this causes conflict with the existing drivers of the system. Same is true for printers, scanners, cameras, etc. So any external device which can interfere with the existing drivers on the system should be temporarily removed to isolate the cause. And lastly, perform an SFC scan. Why? Because this issue could have been caused due to missing and corrupt files. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.